Willie.
Well, I mean, we made
Teeth.
cardboard apples on the perfect day, didn't we, Rye? Pumpkin carving day. Apple. Caramel
Mom
apple
will
day.
hit me about that.
Well, you know what? You're bigger and older and tougher, so you don't care though, right?
Oh,
Nate, do you have to poop?
no.
Why are you sitting like that?
Mommy, I'm recording. In case you wanted to be
Oh, sorry.
cheery.
Do you want the circle eyes or the triangle eyes? Triangle? Well, that worked out well. How's that? Look, oops, sorry, Nate. That's good?
Hey. No, me, I was on.
Cheese.
No, we're gonna do, they get to do theirs.
Hey, no.
Okay.
Are we gonna cut the pumpkins open?
Yep, we have to take their guts out first.
We gotta find out who has the magic pumpkin.
Yeah.
Oh, you find it? No. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, what? Put that beautiful little piece in.
Yeah.
Is that for Rai Rai?
Cheese.
No way.
Is that a black pumpkin?
Adam's eating one of Juju's caramel apples. Show me your apple. Show me your apple. Where did Adam go? Where did Adam go? There he is. That is going to be hilarious.
Apple.
Apple.
What are you pressing there?